Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'll show you how to enable auto blocker on your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G, a smart feature that blocks suspicious apps and downloads automatically. Let's secure your device. First, open the settings app on your phone. Scroll down and locate this option called security and privacy. Again, scroll down and find this option called auto blocker and tap on it. If you can't find it directly, use the search bar at the top of settings and type auto blocker. Now simply turn on the auto blocker toggle. This will block harmful commands, apps from unknown sources, and unauthorized USB installs. You can also customize what the auto blocker should block. For example, blocking images suspected of containing malware in messaging apps, preventing USB debugging, avoiding harmful installations. And that's it. You have now activated auto blocker to add an extra layer of protection to your Samsung Galaxy A16 5G. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Samsung tips, and comment below if you have any queries. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.